Today in this tutorial, I will mainly focus on what is master data relationships in Salesforce, how actually it works, and what are the characteristics of this fields. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Now honestly, this is one of the topic where many beginners get confused. In Salesforce, we already know some terms like parent object, child object, roll-up summary, and everything feels complicated, right? But don't worry, today we will understand it is in a simple way with real-time example. So the first thing is we need to understand what is master data relationships. Okay, let's start with a basic idea. A master data relationship means one object is the master, means it's a parent object. Another object is the detail. Details means child. And the child record is completely dependent on parent object record. So this relationship we call it as in Salesforce like master data relationships. In real-time example, we can consider as any Flipkart order or any online shopping order. If order is cancelled, all order items should also cancel or disappear. So that's exactly how master data works in Salesforce. In simple way, we can say like child record is cannot exist without parent record. This relationship we call it as master data relationships. Then what are the characteristics of master data relationships? It's a very important things need to be remember when we are need to create master detail fields. Then what is the characteristics? The first point is parents controls child. This is the biggest point. Parent record controls ownership, record, security. Child does not have any independent control. For example, if account is private, related child record is also follow same axis. And the second point is if the parent record is deleted, all the child record is also automatically deleted. And the next characteristic is child cannot exist alone. Child record must have always a parent. You cannot save child record without selecting master. And the next characteristic is roll-up summary field supported. This is one of the biggest advantage. Parent can calculate child data automatically like sum, count, minimum, maximum. So the sum, count, minimum, maximum, this roll-up summary fields only supported when we have master data relationships in child object. Then only we can calculate this. Next characteristics is strong relationship, very tightly connected objects, not loose connection like lookup. In lookup, what we can do, even we delete a child record, it will not affect it to the parent record. If we delete the parent record, that in that time also it will not affect it to the child record. But in master detail, it's not work like that. If you delete parent record, automatically child record will be deleted. So then how we can create that field? So first we need to click on gear icon, go to setup, go to object manager. In here, in quick find box, we need to search child object because we need to create master data relationship in child object only, not in parent object. So currently I will select like project. I have an object like project. In here only I need to create the master detail. So I just click on fields and relationships. Just click on new. So you just scroll below. In here data type we need to select the master detail. So there is a description for understanding. If we read it, we will get clarity. Then click on next. So in here we have one more things to select, that is related. Related means parent object. So currently my parent object is account record. So then click on next. So I will give like account. Then click on next. Click on next. Then save. So now the master detail field is created successfully. So we will go with real time test. So first we need to go to home page, then refresh once. So try to create new project record. I will fill all the fields. So we created one field like account. So it's a master detail. Without selecting master detail record, if we click on save, it will show error because it's a mandatory field. So once the field is created, one parent record must and should. Otherwise, it will not work. So I will select like Metropolitan Health Services. Then click on save. So this is works. Now I will go to account record. So first in the projects, currently we have one record. So now I go to account record. So what I will do, I will delete the parent record. So what I did, I delete the parent record. So then what happened in project? In automatically project also that record is deleted. So this is how master detail works in Salesforce. What are the rules and limitation of this master detail relationships in Salesforce? Now listen carefully. Child requires parent. Cannot leave master field is empty. Maximum two master details per object. One object can have maximum two master detail relationships. Standard object restriction. Some standard object don't allow certain relationships. And what are the common mistake people do? Beginners usually make this mistake like choosing the master detail instead of lookup. Then later realize child should exist independently. Not understanding cascade delete. Delete parent record, everything will be gone. Like if I delete the account record, project record also gone. So then what is the best practice to use this field? Use master detail only when strong relationship needed. Use when child fully dependent on parent. Use for roll-up summary requirements. I hope you understand all these things. Thank you for watching.